Pipin ka ako.
First possession, UCS.
Oh, pwede naman. Basta top, walang problema. Ay, pants pwede. Hindi pwede. Maong. Bawal. Kaya yung shop lang pwede.
Sa hole, 2 points.
Woo! Sa hole.
Yun yung siya no.
Ay, tubig. Pre, tubig.
Pares, pass to Soriano. 10 seconds. Time, wala. Rebound Calvin, wala pa rin. Point steal by Paul.
Bibigyan tayo niyan, pre. Basta ka. 50. Ayun na, nadali na dito. Ay, nadali na dito.
50 pesos, okay lang.
Foul.
Stand ties up.
Foul number 14, Gonzalez.
$50.
First personal foul, first team foul.
Sino Paul? 12?
Ha?
12? Sino Paul?
Wala naman number 12 yan eh.
Hindi, ito si Ton. Sino Paul ba? Kanina.
Si ano? Si Gonzales.
Gonzales, Kelvin?
Oo. Uy mo na, balik ako.
Foul number 2, Soliman.
Saan pupunta, boy?
Uwi lang ako, balik ako.
First personal foul, second team foul.
Uwi sa bahay?
2 shots for number 16, Napakalabas.
Sino Paul? Sino Paul?
Ba't di mo nakita?
Si Bod kasi putang.
Soliman.
Dito.
Dito. Kumusta po dito?
Thank you po.
Thank you po dito.
Thank you po. Uy. Dami ah.
Hindi lang ito nakita dito ah. Hindi nagpunta na nakaraan eh. Wala eh.
Thank you po.
0 out of 2. Upper.
Favorite niyan, pre. Next. Favorite niyan, next no.
Rebound Pares. Pass to Boy. Boy drives. Wala.
Hindi, left.
Foul number 6, Boy. First personal foul, third team foul. Soliman, steal line number 18.
Number 18.
18 sa Carlos.
Soliman, pass to Pares. Pass to God. Offensive foul. Number 12, Juan Soriano. First personal foul.
Snakes. Favorite ko yung snakes eh. Ano muna tayo?
Samado sa kalsura.
Agpalsa, pull up jumper, it's good. Foul. Foul number 16, first personal foul, first team foul.
Snakes.
Pares, turnover.
Sabi natin.
Ano mo laman ng ano?
Veggie.
Pwede niya?
Isa mo, kaya. Vegetarian ako eh. Snakes.
2 points for Carlos. Official score 6-0. 6 point lead by UCS. Gonzalez pass to Soliman. Soliman drives. Traveling violation. Steal by Boy. Steal by Carlos. Completed by Carlos. Pass to Rocker. Rocker is fouled. Ball number 33, Manes. Sabi doon sa rep. Two shots for Rocker Bass. Cheer out of two. Soliman. Wala. Rebound. Kami. Kami is foul. Ball number 10. Jay Sahur. First personal foul. Second foul. Two shots for number 10, Tommy Block. First shot for good.
Atik.
Carlos. Wala. Sahun. Ball number 19, Carlos. First personal foul, third team foul. Mila. Robin violation.
Sabi, babalik. Kaya nga, sabi niya, uwi muna siya, tapos babalik, sabi.
Mga sakil lang yun.
Sabi niya, uwi, tapos balik.
Jay, still by Toby. Turnover out of bounds.
Sabi, galing yan. Kamang na yan.
Pass runners. Wala. Rebound pa. Still by Carlos. Carlos pass to Alpaza to Juan. Foul number 10, Jay Sahun, second personal foul, warning for penalty. Sabi doon siya, ref.
Kayang prep. Kala ko, dire-diretso na isip mo eh. Tinapos.
Tapos.
Sabi ko yung tapos.
Ako ang nagsabi.
Hindi, sabi kanina, boss. Boss pala.
Arvas. Shot clock is off.
Kaya na, Kibits. 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 Kibits, sab.
Sab.
And the reverse quarter, Lucian score, Emil.
Din, sorry pala. Tama naman, sobra lang ng art. Bango to. Ganito ko yun. Masarap. Kamatis.
Bukas.
Ha?
Ilan?
Foul up 6 for us.
First.
First personal foul, first team foul. Abroad for 3. Wala.
Meron naman, may naman. Kunti lang.
Kamatis oh. Pre, kamatis.
Around single. 11 seconds to shoot, 11 seconds. Mas for Palja, pull up jumper, short. Soliman drives, wala. Around.
Tapilok.
Kasama niya yung ano niya. Nakauwi na ba? So, tani.
Baka uwi na.
Masarap yata yan. Paris sa pansit. Nakarap na pansit.
Steal by Boy. Counter steal by Morallo. Counter steal by Abroad. 3-on-1. Soliman. Point finally for SC Western. Agpasa, pull-up jumper is good.
Ayun kay Ilan. Okay. Maglalaro si Jay.
10 seconds. Two points for Gerald Brock. Agpasa, pass to Mark Stephen. Wala. Camilo, right, wala. Karena foul. Foul number 15. First personal foul. Second team foul. Steal. Foul number 10. Sabi ko sa rep.
First.
First personal foul, first team foul for number 10.
Ano ba yung Moralio ba?
Moralio.
Moralio.
First shot is good. Soliman steal by Rockmer. Rockmer pass to Mark Stephen. Agpasa. Steal and point. Pinasa kay Camilo. Pinasa kay Soriano. Camilo is foul.
Mas dalawa pre.
Foul number 16, Brockner Mas. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Pasok. 14 seconds to shoot, 14 seconds. Camilo. Spins. Pass to Calvin. Fires a 3. Wala. Rebound. Pares. Pares. Wala. Same ball. 11 seconds to shoot. 11 seconds.
Sayang ang tato.
Same ball.
Diyan na pala si idol ko, si Latosa.
Arbas.
Alin pre? Hindi. Ba yun? Ba yun? Ito yung bola. Yung ano yan, parang roller.
Pares. Pass to a drop. For 3. Short. Rebound. Black ball. Official score 13-4. 9.8 by DCS. Carlos. Pass to Alfonso. Pass to Mario for 3. Short. Rebound court. Carlos. Light ball.
Snake.
Panes, pass to cross. Really kay Panes. 8 seconds. 4 seconds. Kami. Wala. Rebound dyan. Foul out line. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Substitution ref. The shot is good. The shots are good for Gerard. Line ball. For 3, bang!
Nice break. Mana break? Alam mo,
Cross for 3. Wala.
Kaya.
Kami. Astro Gonzalez all alone. Bam! 1% na by UCS. Steal by ST Westside, Camilo against Morayo. Traveling violation. Substitution ref. Morayo for 3. Wala.
Kaya.
Good man. Face mark. Foul number 6.
Dalawa.
Second personal foul. Penalty. Penalty.
Kill time.
Took shots for number 2, Renzo. Still on the 2 for runs. So and the first half, we can score 13-12.
Dark ball, dark ball.
Dark ball, dark ball. Basket good for Don Soriano. Foul number 10, Sahul. Third personal foul. First team foul.
Wala, paong process pa lang amo.
Sabi mo kasi tapos na.
Mrs. Market or Jomai.
2 points, Jay Sahul.
Saul.
Big shout out to Van Allen and Kevin Grospe. Abazar. Jumper, light ball, light ball. On, 2 points. Steal by Kelvin. Soliman is foul.
16, technical.
Number 16, technical foul. For shouting.
16.
Number 16, third personal foul. 18, sorry.
18 second. Second.
Second personal foul for number 18.
16 kasi sabi nila.
Buray mo ba? Na-shot yung free throw.
Tabla na pala. Tabla.
Gonzalez. Pass to abroad, corner 3. Wala. Rebound number 18, Carlos. Pass to Mas. Carlos. Abroad, pass to Soriano. Soriano against Roas. Soriano, wala. Soriano pa rin. Wala. Abroad. 2 points. Carlos paso Agpaza. Agpaza paso Sahul. Boy, yung ginanan, wala. Rebound Sahul. Steal by Salman. Gonzalez, 2 points. Foul number 2, Soliman. Sabi to sa ref.
Second, Suliman.
Soliman, second personal foul, first foul. Sabi to sa pasok. Pasok.
Mga 2 ka na ako, let's. Pasok!
Shahul is black and brown. Alpaza, wala. Rebound, Jay. Jay, 2 points. Tabla na po ulit sa 21. Offensive foul, number 33, Peter Panes.
Second. Second.
Second personal foul for Peter Panes. Alpaza. Pinalik kay Mas. Wala. Kelvin. Eight seconds. Abroad speed 2 points. As pull-up jumper, wala. Rebound, Peter.
Sub-ref.
Substitution ref. Substitution.
Number 14.
Foul number 14. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Foul number 6, Rojas, third personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots for number 12, Tom Soriano. On. Wala, rebound Alfonso. Pinasa kay Rockmer. Rockmer is rubber. Abroad. Pass to Soriano. Foul number 99, Alpaza. Second personal foul, running for penalty. Tamilong, all alone, corner mid shot. Wala, rebound na front. Foul. Foul number 99, Alpaza. Third personal foul. 2 shots for Gerald, not Broad.
Of the 99% accurate.
1 out of 2. Shot clock is off. Shot clock is off. Mark Stephen for 3. Short. Rebound Dami. Pinasa kay Poy. Poy. Basket good. Foul number 6. Rojas.
Fourth.
Warning for graduate. Bonus shot for number 6. Poy. Bonus shot so good for Poy. And it's the third quarter of the score. 26.
Blue
And
balls.
abroad for UCS, Sahul, Max, Carlos, Borrayo, at Agpalza. Borrayo, to right, pinalik kay Carlos. Carlos, pinaside. Agpalza, pinalik kay Carlos. Carlos is fouled. Foul number 6, Poy. Second personal foul. First foul. Agpalza, 3 points. Jerd, pass to Camilo. Tami, pinalik kay Jerd. 2 points. Pass, hindi na talo ang bola. Arwas. Oy, pasa kay Camilo. In and out. Rebound abroad. 2 points. 7-point lead by SG Westa.
Mandali na naman, double-double.
Agpalza, wala ang bola. Steal by abroad. Pass to Tami. Pinasa kay Ton. 2 points. Time out. UCS Brothers. Official score. Carlos. Pass to Rahman. Shout out Queer Ryan from Marawa. Mas wala. Rebound Soriano. Kami. Abroad. Stop. Still by Morayo tumira 2 points. Ito na lang ang lamang.
Graduate na bro.
Foul number 6. Graduate. Fourteen seconds to shoot. Tami, all out for 3. Wala. Rebound Poy. 2 points.
Nampas.
2 points for Sahul.
Mangitim lang. Alam mo na sa yelo. Ano mo na sa yelo? Yellow, dito ko naman yellow.
10 seconds. Point for 3. Wala. Rebound, Quidge. Foul number 33, Peter Panes.
Third.
Third personal foul. Second team foul. Sahul for wala.
Mabenta ngayon pre yung ice ah. Makakaubos na tayo dyan.
Dalawa pa yata din.
Eight seconds.
Mabenta yung ice pack mo.
4 seconds. Ano mo?
Maganda. Kasi ganun yun o. Sakit yun. Finger. Kailangan ng finger.
AFC.
Pasa. Sumira. 2 points. 5-point lead by SC Westside. Melvin for 3. Wala. Rebound Soriano. Soriano. Offensive foul. Offensive foul number 12.
Number 12. Dalawa pa lang.
Second personal foul for Paul Soriano. Moraja, 8 seconds. Moraja for 3, wala. Rebound. Ano ba?
Ito rin siya sabi. Kung hanggat walang medal,
Abroad. Asukoy. Sinasa kay Soliman. Inat. Rebound at Alsa. Halos. Drive. Wala. Rebound dyan. Ten seconds. Boy, pass to Soliman. In and out. Rebound. Mark Stephen. Kasa kay JJ. 4-3. Sahul. Nawala ang bola hanggang nakuha ng Kasa. Tumira ni Chopper. Wala. Rebound ni Kelvin. Kelvin. Pass to abroad. Abroad sa loob. Is foul. Time out. UCS ball.
sino yung foul?
Si ano?
Mark Stephen.
13.
Ha? Mark Stephen.
First pa lang.
First. Kaya pa, 5 lang eh.
Kaya nga nag-time out na.
Better pa si Dodgers.
Maganda yung Dodgers.
Boy, spin. Huli ka ni Kuya Jen. Kelvin for 3. Wala. Rebound on. Other way ball. Other way. Halo. Drive. Pinasay Plaza. Nawala ang bola. Other way ball. Kelvin. 8 seconds. Soliman. Wala. Rebound. Mark Stephen. 2 points. Timeout. SU Westside. Official score. Boy, abroad. Abroad, right. Ace foul.
Sino pa?
Number 10.
Foul number 10, Sahul.
Fourth.
Running for graduate. Two out of 2 for Gerald abroad. Sahul, pull up, wala. Rebound, single. 12 seconds. Ay, tumama. 14 seconds. Wala, rebound, abroad. Ball number 99. Running for penalty. Third personal foul. Running for graduate. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Broad. Soliman. Roy. Gonzalez. 3 seconds to shoot. Abroad. Foul number 10. Graduate. 2 shots for number 12. On Soriano.
Bangay lang.
And the ball game, official score 37, 31, 6 point